What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. When it comes to the stocks you choose, man, we're giving out free game for you. I just want to show you guys some day trading today. I'm going to get in on some technicals and show you what I saw today in the market. This is the 1 minute time frame. I normally don't use it because it's a lot of shakeouts in the 1 minute chart. So let me show you the 5 minute chart. Actually, I use, and this is the 5 minute chart, and it usually prints more information than this, but I don't like the way it looked today. So this is the 5 minute chart today, and it wasn't really printing a lot of information. As you can see, it was kind of just stagnant. It wasn't as many bars as it usually is, so that was a bad sign for me. So I switched over to the 1 minute chart, and it turned out to be simply a range day today. So where that arrow is on my chart is where I took my trade. I only can scalp in this market because um, not really it's not really following through on any moves. Um, Monday, I think I had two losers because I don't normally scalp. So I usually fish for about 10 points, at least 10 points in this market. So with this, I'm only scalping. So it turned out to be a two-tier range today, as you can see. So I do want to show you how the market started today. So this is where I took my trade. So the market traded up, as you know. They gapped up this morning. They consolidated. They opened at 9:30. They traded up. So 9:30, they traded up two legs, three legs to a new high. So they traded up, broke, new high, broke, another new high. So around 10 o'clock, I noticed they were just going sideways. So I didn't take any trades. I noticed I was just being patient. They broke above the moving average, came back to the high. That was a double top. That would have been a great entry. Um, that was around 10, right before 10:15, so around 10:10 somewhere. So they came back down after they double topped. So they're in the range at this point. Um, they made a lower high setup, so I knew they were coming back to the downside. Um, they did confirm with the second red bar around 10:20, 10:17. They came all the way back down to the bottom of the range, so they consolidated. Then we had a push above the exponential moving average, as you can see, and then prices held and they broke out of the trend. So around 10:45 they came back down. So now they broke the range. So as you can see, this is a bullish imbalance. So when you see bullish imbalances, it's not a good idea to go short until you had confirmation. So they traded sideways up above the range. So as you can see, and then they failed around right before 12 o'clock. So around, looks about 11:50-ish area. It came back down to the lows. As you can see, this is nothing but sideways action. Sideways action. This was the turning point of the day. They came down here around 12:13. As you can see, they have that red pin bar all the way at the bottom of the range. They couldn't even get back down to the lows. They instantly traded up, hit the highs again, and they came back up. So this is a bullish imbalance. So at this point, you're looking for some type of trend line, which they did have. It was a trend line. As you can see, the moving average kept holding price. So they came above the moving average and they bounced once, they bounced twice, and they went higher. So at this point, they hit these highs, and this one I knew was a two-tier range. So it was nothing but a two-tier range, as you can see on the bigger picture. So this is what I saw today. If you would have just played the range, you would have been fine. So sell the highs, buy the lows. So now prices did break above that range. So I'm expecting prices to come down back into the range tomorrow because the volume was really low after hours. So that's what I saw today. I only took that trade. I could have took a short, but I wasn't gonna risk it. not this week. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, just draw your trend lines, support and resistance. And I got this two-tier channel because I measured the highs and the lows, and I just brought it up. And that's where, as you can see, as the day went on, that's where they hit. They hit those highs up at the top. And the market actually did great today. So they were up 1.46% today. And it was a pretty good day for day trading. So I do want to show you guys actually my portfolio, my $100 week challenge portfolio. So I'm gonna show you what they did today in the portfolio. So give me a second. I'm gonna pull it up for you. So yeah, we are gonna see some red sometime this week. We have an CPI tomorrow around 8:30 in the morning, so I wouldn't be surprised if the market comes down a little bit. But this is the overall portfolio. So as you can see, we're up for the day, and we're at 1.7% on the day. So this is the $100 week challenge, and as you can see, we had a great green day today. So just to keep you guys updated on the $100 week challenge, I will be buying the dollar cost averaging in next week as well. So just keeping you guys updated on this portfolio. All right, this is not financial advice. Once again, guys, like and subscribe to the channel, and we keep you posted.